Hello and welcome back to my channel, everyone. It is your girl Cassandra Olivia, back with yet another wig tutorial and review on a company called Alipearl hair. So I'm just showing you guys everything that they sent me in the packaging. It's your typical hair package. It has a wig cap, a edge band. It also has an edge brush as well as some lashes and of course the unit. So this is a 22-inch Kinky straight unit that was sent to me. This is a V-part unit. So I'm just showing you guys the construction right here. It has the two adjustable bands in the back as well as the combs, and then it also has the clips that you use to adjust to where your part is. So I'm just showing you guys the construction again, and then I'm just going to show you guys the natural texture out of the unit. And I'm not going to do too much. I want to show you guys the natural pattern, but I am going to be using my hot comb to get rid of some of those dents. So here I am. Did my makeup off camera, and now I'm just going in and removing my braids from the day before. This is how I slept with my hair, and I had a unit on, so I just decided to take these braids out and then just go in with the V-part unit. And then what I'm going to do is just measure where I want to put this on my head. But first, you just want to make sure that you cut that line in the front, and then you will go ahead and just start to size. So because I have a small head, this is the adjustments that I made on the wig cap, just so that way it does not slide down. I do this typically for all my wig caps. I do the same exact adjustment on each one. And now I'm just going in and kind of placing it on my head to see where I want to place my part. And now I'm just going to go in and do a V-shaped part in my hair. So that way the wig will sit right there towards the front. And once I'm done doing this, I am going to go ahead and put the unit on, and then I'm just going to blend my hair into the extensions. So watch as I part my hair out, and I will be sure to link Alipearl's information down below in the description box. And if you tried this company before, let me know. I can't remember if I've worn this hair before. I feel like I have, but it's been a while, and you guys know I wear so many wigs, it's hard to keep track. But so far so good. So I'm just throwing my hair back in those French braids, and then I'm going to get ready to prep my hair, put the unit on, and then press my leave out. I do like V-part wigs because they're super easy to install. The only downside is you do have to leave some leave out. So if your hair is not long enough or the texture doesn't match, I would recommend just doing either a closure or just doing a unit that does not have leave out. But yeah, that's one of the things that I like about this unit. And my natural hair is starting to get a little bit longer, so I figured it would not be hard to blend at all. So I'm just going to make sure that I also put a heat protectant in my hair prior to prior to pressing. And then I'm going to go in with this unit. So I'm just pinning my hair up in the back, nothing too crazy. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the Alipearl unit on my head. I'm going to start from the top first and then just do the clips all around that V part. And then I'm going to go ahead and then put the back. So I'm kind of working backwards. I tried to do it from the back to the front, and it was shifting everywhere. So I decided just to clip my hair up out the way, and then to put the clips on the front in the shape of that V, and then just do the combs in the side, and then as well as the comb in the back. So now that's snapped in place, I'm just going in and pulling any excess hair out that I might have tucked under. And then I'm just going ahead and just putting those combs in and making sure that it's above my ear, and then just adjusting the height to where it feels comfortable for me. So I'm just doing the same thing on both sides, and then I will start to blend my leave out. So here I am just putting some heat protectant, and then I'm just going in with a hot comb. I'm just going to hot comb my leave out and blend it into the natural curl of this hair. And then I am going to hit the ends. I did that off camera because this hair was super long, but just to make sure that I get out any kinks or dents. And then I'm just going to do this all around, making sure that my part is nice and crisp, and also making sure that none of the unit is showing. So you want to have a nice flawless blend. So I want the hair to be kind of natural, not too straight, but I also don't want it to be too poofy. So this is why I'm just going through, making sure that my leave out is nice and blended. And then I will go ahead and just start to hit the back of the hair, just making sure that everything is nice and straight, because you want to give like a nice blow dry look. So this is the parting at the top, and as you can see, I'm just making sure that none of the tracks are showing. And my hair did a pretty decent job, so I felt like I left out a pretty good amount of hair. So I was very, very pleased. So this is pretty much how the unit looks. I'm just standing here. I am 5'2". This was 22 inches, so it was pretty long. But I'm just going to show you guys. I'm going to back away from the camera and show you guys how long it was, and then also show you guys how it looks on the sides and in the back. So after this, I am going to just put a little bit of edge control and use that edge brush that Alipearl sent me in the beginning. And I'm just going to slick down a little bit of my hair just to give it a more like sleek look, but that's completely optional. You guys know I don't like to wear too much edge control. So yeah, this is 180% density, super thick, super full, and I like the way that it blended with my natural hair and my natural hair color. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this wig tutorial. I'm going to do my little baby hair, and again, I will link everything down below from Alipearl Hair. And I hope everybody has a wonderful and productive day and week, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.